Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosanna. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a nice get ready with me, all drugstore makeup. I want to see how it lays on my mature skin. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post. So yup, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, just keep watching. I've been loving using concealer to spot conceal. Not only does it give great coverage, but I use less foundation. I've been doing this for a few months now and I really like it, although this one is a little bit too light. I'm going to let this sit on my skin for a little bit. It gives me extra coverage. And while that sits a little bit, I'm going to do my eyes. Absolutely love this foundation. Cannot stand the tip. I think the L'Oreal Infallible bronzers are so great, the best on the market in my opinion. You gotta be careful with these Kokie blushes. They are so pigmented, but so gorgeous, so gorgeous. If you guys haven't tried the NYX highlighters, they are beautiful, super pigmented. Nah, leave me alone. You know how I feel about my Essence Stay and Play eyeliner. The best. Oh, and they're $4.99. You just can't go wrong. You know how I feel about Drugstore mascara, the best on the market. You do not need high-end. And of course, this Carbon Black mascara, perfection. It's this tip. It's so good. I love this tip. I absolutely love the Boldify Root Touch-Up powder. I know I wasn't that generous. It's kind of tricky because I'm trying to cover the gray and the thinning of the hair, but I don't want to mess up my highlights. But it's such a great product. So, so good. So this is it, guys. This is my video. Full face of drugstore makeup. I think it looks so, so good on mature skin. What do you guys think? And that's it, guys. This is my video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.